Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a stunning YouTube channel banner using Canva. Whether you're just starting your channel or looking to refresh your online presence, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design a professional banner that fits perfectly and reflects your unique style. Let's get started. First up, jump over to Canva.com. If you haven't already created an account, don't worry, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, head up to the top right where you see the Create a Design button. Give that a click. In the search bar that appears, type in YouTube banner. Canva automatically knows the perfect size that YouTube requires for channel art. So when you select this, you're guaranteed your banner will fit perfectly on your channel without any awkward cropping or stretching. Alright, now that you're inside the YouTube banner design page, you have a big creative decision. Do you want to design your banner totally from scratch, or do you want to speed things up by using one of Canva's pre-made templates? For most people, especially if you're new to design, templates are a fantastic place to start. There are loads to choose from, each with different color schemes, styles, and layouts. Scroll through and pick one that speaks to the vibe you want for your channel. And remember, choosing a template doesn't mean you can't make it your own. Once you click on a template, you still have full control to customize colors, text, and images. At this point, you might be wondering about sizing. Banner sizes on different platforms can be confusing, but here's the great thing. When you choose the YouTube banner design in Canva, the canvas is already set up with the exact dimensions YouTube requires, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels. So you don't need to manually tweak the size or worry about whether it will fit correctly. If you are creating a banner for another platform, you might need to adjust the template to fit, but for YouTube, Canva's done that work for you. Just focus on the creative part. Now it's time to customize. Think about what you want your channel to say visually. Change the background color to something that matches your brand, or upload your own images or logos to make it really personal. You can double-click on text boxes to add your channel name or a catchy slogan. If you want to move things around, just click and drag. Canva is very forgiving, so don't be afraid to experiment here. Maybe swap out fonts or adjust the size of your text until it really pops. If you want to add a little flair, try adding icons, shapes, or even some fun elements from Canva's library. Just remember that less can often be more, especially since YouTube channel art is seen on so many different devices, from TVs to phones. Take a few moments to look at your design. Canva offers a preview mode so you can see how it'll appear across devices. This is a good way to make sure no crucial information gets cut off. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always go back and tweak it until you're happy. Once you're satisfied, hit the download button in the top right, select PNG for the best quality, and save it to your computer. Then you're ready to upload it straight to your YouTube channel. And that's it, you've just created a professional, perfectly sized YouTube channel banner with Canva. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.